Hi, I'm Faster EFT practitioner Kim Brown. Glad you could join me today. We're anticipating a Category 5 hurricane. Disaster messages are everywhere. Grocery stores here, a 4-hour drive from the coast, have already restocked their shelves multiple times this week. And still we continue to wait with just a little bit of rain. Have you ever anticipated an event, or maybe the arrival of a friend or a package, and then there was a delay or a cancellation? Anytime anticipation is interrupted, some level of disappointment follows. And oddly enough, it doesn't matter whether that anticipation is for a blessing or for a disaster. It can even occur for a medical crisis. You experience some concerning physical symptoms. You go to the doctor. You're told there's nothing major wrong. And maybe you've thought or even said, well, now that was a complete waste of my time. Anticipation canceled, disappointment experienced. So how do you cope with disappointment? Our brains use our past experiences in order to predict and prepare for future events. So what are the resources you are using? The best way to cope with any disappointment is to do some mental cleanup, like the cleanup after a storm. So following any disrupted anticipation, consider using these 4 tools. Number 1, notice what you're experiencing. Ask yourself, what are your choices? Do you leave the windows boarded up because you spent so much time and effort doing it? Or do you take the boards down and let in the sunlight and the fresh air? Number 2, what are your resources? What are the memories, beliefs, and emotions that you are using to make this feel real and true? And number 3, tap. Take your focus off of your resources and now put your focus on the tapping. You can list your resources if you choose, or you can just say whatever it is, wherever it came from, whatever it means, wherever it's stored in my mind and body, whatever's attached to it, I let it go. I let it all go. It's safe to let it go. Squeeze your wrist, take a deep breath, let it out, and say peace, and go to your happy place. Be in it and experience it. Notice how good it feels. These resources are available to you anytime you choose. Squeeze your wrist, take a deep breath, let it out, and say peace. And go back and check it again and tap again. And number 4, develop an attitude of gratitude. Not only can you tap out what you want to release and let go of, you can also tap in what you want to develop and establish. And tap as if you already have it. I'm grateful I have windows to board up. I am grateful for good health. I'm grateful I have limitless opportunities to visit friends and family. I'm grateful I'm learning how to tap. Squeeze your wrist, take a deep breath, let it out, and say peace. And remember, when you're tapping in what you do want, follow that by peace. Only use I let it go when you're tapping away what you want to release and let go of. The most amazing experience you will ever have is the experience of changing your mind. Consider giving yourself permission to do so. You really are worth it. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, no matter what you experienced in the past, today is a new day. See you next time.